Hey, what's up? Let's make the Hitfilm Express run faster, reduce lag and stutter, and make it more comfortable to work with. To do that, all you need to do is first thing is to go over here that says under tracks, preview mode, and click none. This will remove all the thumbnails from your preview panel over here, as you can see. This will make it a little bit faster. The second thing is to right click on your clip, click on a proxy and click performance. You will see this loading bar over here that will create the proxied version of your clip. And the third thing is under here, full. Over here you can 1.5 or for a quarter the quality. For example, make it quarter and playback quality to be fastest. This will make the video a little bit blurry and it will not look good, but don't worry, this is just a preview. The final render, the final export will be just fine. And this is it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.